Hi everyone, how are you? Hope everything goes well. Okay, today I will introduce different kinds of operation modes of DJI Agras. Actually, about how to use these kinds of operation modes, you could refer to YouTube of DJI Agriculture. And also, when we have new products in the future, I will also update the new tutorial videos in my YouTube. So please follow me. So today I will especially introduce what are operation modes and also make a comparison between them. Okay, when you enter the main interface, then you could choose different kinds of operation modes. For example, manual mode, M-Pulse mode, and AB root mode. For more details, you could refer to the tutorial video in DJI Agriculture. And also, when you enter plant field icon, then you could find 3 ways to use the flat root operation modes. But of course, if you would like to use the work with RC, then you need to turn off the aircraft firstly. If you would like to use the work with RTK, then please prepare the DRTK2 mobile station firstly and connect it with the aircraft and the remote controller. So when you turn on the aircraft, then you could use fly with aircraft. Okay, then here actually I make a table for you about the difference between operation modes. For example, I will explain the suitable length, advantages, disadvantages, and recommended field for different kinds of operation modes. Firstly, for manual or M-Pulse operation mode, it is used when you spray the small or irregular plots. Okay, because you have to manually operate the drone all the time. So it's suitable for small or irregular plots. The advantage of this kind of operation mode is that you don't have to prepare too much, but just operate the aircraft and spray directly. And also you could control its direction and fly to anywhere you like. But the disadvantage is that you need to have a rich experience about operating the aircraft, or it may double or leak spray sometimes. And for AB root operation mode, actually is suitable for regular plots, for example, the rectangular, triangle, square, or some standard plots, because you have to set the A and B points before the spraying. But it's actually a faster operation method because you don't have to manually operate the aircraft all the time, but only realize the automated operation after you set the AB point. The disadvantage of this kind of operation mode is that it has a high requirement for the field because the field should be regular. And I think for many people, they like flat root operation mode because it is suitable for most of the plots. For example, if the field is irregular, you also could use the flat root operation mode. You only have to plan the field ahead, walking around the field with the remote controller or with the aircraft to fly around the field and plan the field. In the future, we may have new functions about how to plan the field. So the advantage of this kind of operation mode is that it requires lowest labor intensity, because after the planning this time, you don't have to plan the field again in the future, but directly record the field and spray, because the app will generate a spray task and save it after your planning. So next time you could record the task and spray directly. But of course, there are some details you have to pay attention to, which you have to refer to the tutorial video. Okay, the last one is orchard mode, but it's important. It is suitable for the orchard planning plots, which means the fruit trees, something like that. And it can generate 3-dimensional routes. And if you want, it will only spray on top of the trees rather than the no fruit tree areas, for example, the gap between the trees. So this kind of operation mode is mainly used for fruit trees. So this is the comparison between them. So the above are the main information of different kinds of operation modes. But here it doesn't mean you have to use all of them at the same time. You only have to choose the best one or the suitable one for you anytime.
So for me, maybe AB root mode is better or the flat root operation mode is better. So please just choose a suitable one according to the situation. Okay, that's all for today and hope you could learn something from this video. Have a good day.